you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxley and I'm back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you're hitting that bell so you don't miss any notifications of when I upload new videos. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you a wig review on this hair that I have in right now. Before we go ahead and get into the deets and specs about this unit, I will have to let you know this is for the natural girls. All right, so if you're anywhere between a 3B to 4C texture hair, honey, you want to go ahead and continue watching because I feel like this is definitely a must-have in your wig collection. All right, so without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video, and then afterwards we'll talk more about this unit. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy. All right, you guys, so as you can see, that review was super freaking easy. This wig was so easy to put on, like you didn't have a lot of work to do with it. Oh my god. Anyways, before I get ahead of myself, first and foremost, I did receive this hair from Samsbeauty.com. They did go ahead and sponsor your girl this wig right here. It is their Alpha Woman, so this is the stock card and this is what it looks like. And it has some like pictures inside and I believe some like instructions on, you know, stuff about the hair and so forth. So it does come with baby hairs. I didn't really do much of anything with the baby hairs, honestly. I just felt like it really wasn't needed for this type of look. Now this is from their Curls, Kinks and Co line. It is for all curl types from 3B to 4C. I have it in the color 1B, and once again it is called their Alpha Woman, and it is their texture laced wig, and it is by Sensational, by the way. So it is a ear-to-ear soft lace, easy self-application. It can be styled as an updo or natural look. Obviously, I'm not going to do an updo with this unit because your girl is bald, all right? That's not going to work out for me. So this is a style that I had to do right here. I will say this unit is pretty snug, and I was really happy and excited about that because, like I said, I don't really have no hair, so there's not much for me to clip in or, you know, any of that just yet. Your girl did decide to go on this natural hair journey, so this wig worked out perfect. It's like super snug, and I feel confident that it's not gonna go anywhere. Now Samsbeauty also did send me their new tinted lace spray, and I have it in the skin tone color medium brown. So this is what it looks like right here. I did go ahead and spray the unit, as you guys can see from the video, before I actually applied it on, and I thought that was kind of helpful, honestly. Like it looked more natural. Like the parting did look more natural. I did still go ahead and apply some makeup to the parting space just because I wanted it to be a little bit more noticeable on this side. Now you probably could have sprayed that on this side as well, but knowing me, I didn't want to get too messy. And it smells really good actually. Like the spray smells really good, so it's not like, you know, a horrible smell where it's like hard to spray and all that, but it smells pretty good, to me at least. So I didn't receive any type of shedding with this unit. The only thing is when I actually cut the lace off, that was the only time that I received any type of shedding, and that was when I was just simply combing through the hair. Now this texture, let me go ahead and comb through it just so you guys can kind of see. This is more like our texture hair. So I feel like if you are a natural girl and you want to have some of your own hair out, get the color that's, you know, gonna best match and suit your hair color, and you can actually even part your own hair out in the front and leave some of your hair out in the front as well, just to kind of blend it with this right here, especially if you don't want to straighten your whole hair or apply any type of like heat to it because you don't want any heat damage. Honey, this is the wig for you. Now I absolutely love this wig. I think it's really pretty. I'm keeping it for sure. This is not one of those wigs where I'm going to eventually end up tossing it. I feel like you can definitely reuse this wig numerous times. I don't believe I'm going to wash it at all. I mean, I just love how it looks. I love like how it's not like super silky, you know, and it looks realistic. But like I said, if you want to have some of your own hair out with it, you can definitely do that with this unit. You can definitely get away with that with this unit. So it is your standard construction. You get 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back with your adjustable straps. Oh, it's like something on my lip there. Okay. With your adjustable straps in the back, and you get a little bit of lace in the front. So if you wanted to spray that down, you definitely could do that with this hair. Other than that, that is really all that I have to say. Me personally, I wouldn't say this is big head friendly because of how snug it is. I don't like to say that I have a big head because I don't think I have a big head, but I mean, I do think that this is more like for a smaller size head or like a medium size head, because I think I have a medium size head, you know. But yeah, so I mean, other than that, like super pretty. I love it. I just love the texture so much. I do have another wig, something similar to this, to show you guys, also from their Kinks and Co. Curls Kinks and Co. line. So I'll definitely be doing that one as well. I hope I feel the same. It is shorter, so I hope I feel the same about it like this one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this unit. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's pretty, and I think it's a definite must-have in your wig collection. Once again, I did receive this hair from samsbeauty.com. I will be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, and all the goods, Deets and Specs and all that jazz that you guys need to know. All right, yeah, so that is all that I have for you guys today. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.